Cucumbers aren't just for salads anymore, they can also go into martinis. Cucumbers, lemon, simple syrup, and vodka or gin all come together to make my cucumber martini. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV Cocktail Friday. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, we're going to be making an unusual cocktail, but one that's very refreshing and very delicious. We're making a cucumber martini. Now, if you think that means just putting a cucumber in the drink as a decoration, well, think again. So let's get started. To make a cucumber martini, we must first make cucumber water, which is very refreshing and healthy sounding, but we're going to adult it up. I have my trusty blender here, and I'm going to start with a half of an English cucumber, a large one, that I just roughly chopped up. The English cucumbers are the long ones that are wrapped in plastic wrap, and they're sometimes called hothouse or seedless. I love them because the skins are very thin, and it's perfect for this. So right into our blender. To that, we're going to add some water. I have, 6 ounces or 180 mils of water right in. And now we blend. We're just going to strain this through a fine mesh sieve. Just that easy. We're going to give this a moment to strain, and then we're going to mix the cocktail. We're going to start out with gin. Now you can use vodka if you prefer. I prefer gin. This is the gin I'm using today. This is really great with cucumbers, and they recommend this with anything with cucumbers. So we're going to do 2 ounces or 60 mils. Right in our glass. Next is our cucumber water. And here it is. How devilish is that? Same amount, 2 ounces, 60 mils. Simple syrup is next. I just need 3/4 of an ounce or about 22 mils in that neighborhood. Right in. I'm using simple syrup. It's going to add a little bit of body and a little bit of sweetness, but it's also going to help with our next ingredient, which is fresh lemon juice. And it's also going to help keep the cucumber water and the lemon all emulsified with the alcohol. Now I said the next ingredient is fresh lemon juice. I need the same amount, about 3/4 of an ounce, 22 mils. Right in. Then I've got a shaker full of ice. You know what's coming up. The Shakey. Here we go. All right. Beautiful. Let me move this out of the way and get our glass. I have behind me a nice glass that we're chilling with ice water. All right, here's our martini all ready. We just have to strain it. And actually, I'm going to double strain this to make sure there are no little ice crystals in there. Now look at that color. Wow. Kind of looks healthy and summery, but it'd also be great for Halloween. Now, I told you a cucumber martini wouldn't be just a cucumber in a glass, but I am going to garnish with a little slice of cucumber. There we go. Now let's give it a taste. Wow, that's incredible. You get the freshness from the cucumber, and then you get a nice tartness from the lemon, and the simple syrup helps bind it all together. You could easily drink a lot of these. And of course, it's mostly water, so why not? All right, we will see you every Tuesday for our regular episodes, Fridays for either Cocktail Friday or Basic Skills Day, and every other Sunday for our live streams. Now, while I drink a few of these, I want you to watch some of these episodes over here. So until next time, everyone, cheers.